Guys, I want to tell you, most people are addicted to noise of the world, noise of people, because silence forces them to face themselves and the decisions that they make on a daily basis, surrounded by people. But here's the truth. Silence is not your enemy. It's actually where you can meet yourself and the real you. You know, I've learned in my life that when you learn to be alone, that's when you start focusing on things differently. You see the new things in life and you think clearer, and you realize that investing in yourself, you'll start building confidence you never knew you could have. You know, real success looks boring from the outside, but it's the early mornings, the daily sacrifice, and the daily routines that you need to have to be successful. But when you finally start building your dream life, you'll see that fake flexing fades, but real ones never do. They last. You know, the Bible, it tells us in Isaiah 30 verse 15, in quietness and confidence shall your strength come. I want to encourage you, choose the quiet, build the life, and let discipline speak louder than the words full of noise ever can. And don't allow people to influence your life. Guys, have a wonderful evening. Lots of blessings to everyone. I'll catch up with you guys again tomorrow night.